Hello everyone. For today, meron tayong problem dito na galing sa ating isang followers or subscriber. So yung problem niya is, what is the remainder of 137 raised to 153 divided by 18? So para ma-solve natin tong problem na to, gagamitan natin siya ng tinatawag natin na Euler's Theorem. So ano nga ba tong Euler's Theorem? Euler's Theorem states that when n is a positive integer and a is an integer such that yung GCD or the greatest common divisor nilang dalawa is equals to 1. Then, ang a raised to phi of n is congruent to 1 mod n, where phi of n is what we call Euler's totient function. So, bigyan ko kayo ng example kung ano nga ba tong mode na to. For example, meron tayong number na 7 divided by 3. 'Di ba nung mga elementary or high school tayo, ginagawa natin is ganito, 7 divided by 3. So 3, ginagawa natin 1 times 3. So this is 3. 7 minus 3, that is 4. Okay? So ibig sabihin, itong 7 divided by 3, may remainder na 4. Ito na po yung remainder niya, which is um, 7 divided by 3 is also equals to 4 modulo 3. Okay po? So, sige. Proceed tayo. Okay, next. Ano nga ba tong Euler's totient function? So, itong Euler's totient function natin is equivalent to n. This is pi notation or product notation times 1 minus 1 over p. Itong P na to is our prime factors. So, pansinin nyo, 137 raised to 153 divided by n, divided by 18. Yung 18 natin, ito yung ating n. Okay po, katulad kanina, di ba 7 divided by 3? This is also equals to 4 modulo 3. So, meaning, ang n natin is 3 doon. Okay? So, meaning dito sa problem natin ay n natin is 18. Okay? Sige po. First step natin siguro, kunin natin yung prime factors ni n. So alam natin 18, ang prime factors ng 18 is 2 times 9, or i-simplify natin yung 9, that is 3 squared. So based sa Euler's totient function natin, sabi natin phi of n, or that is phi 18, that is equals to 1 minus 1 all over yung isang prime factor, which is 2, times yung pi kasi is product, 1 minus 1 all over 3 times yung n natin, which is 18, equals 1 minus 1 half, that is 1 half. 1 minus 1 third, that is 2 thirds, times 18. So, pwede mag-cancel si 2. So, 18 divided by 3, that is 6. Okay, next tayo. Sabi nga dito, yung GCD ni A tsaka N dapat is equals to 1, which is true kasi nga yung greatest common divisor ni 137 tsaka ni 18 is equals to 1. So, kindly double check na lang po yan. Okay, next. So, doon naman na tayo kay A phi of n is congruent to 1 mod n. Yung A natin dyan is yung 137. Yung phi of n natin, 6. Meaning, this is congruent to 1 mod 18. So, ano bang meaning yan? 137, minultiply mo yung 137 ng 6 times sa sarili niya is congruent to 1 mod 18. Ngayon, pansinin natin yung ating, yung ating exponent ng given, yung 137 raised to 153. Pansinin niyo yung 153. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin doon sa 153, i-divide natin ng 6. So, 153 divided by 6, that is 3, or may remainder siya na 3, modulo 6. Okay po? So, sige. Next tayo. Yung 137 raised to 153 now is also congruent to um, this is this is 137 raised to 3 modulo 18. Okay po. So next, yung 137 raised to 3, hindi natin siya pwedeng, kung hindi tayo sanay siguro na na i-multiply yan, or hindi natin alam yung raised to 3 niyan, yung 137 raised to 3, why not ang gawin natin is 137 divided by 18. So, di ba ito is 137 divided by 18. So, mano-mano na lang siguro natin. So, 137 divided by 18, this is, let's say 7. Kasi 7 times 8, 56. 7 times 1 plus 5, that is 12. So, 37, cancel na to, no? 37 minus 26, that is 11. So, this is 11 cube modulo 18. So, next, kunwari hindi pa rin natin kaya na mahanap yung 11 cube. Why not hatiin natin siya? 11 squared times 11 modulo 18. Ganon pa rin. Yung 11 squared, i-divide natin. Alam natin 11 squared is 121. So, 121 divided by 18. So, ilan to? This is 6. 6 times 8, 48. So, carry 4. 6 times 1 plus 4, that is 10. 21 minus, cancel na to, no? 21 minus 8, that is 13. So, meaning, this is now 13. So, may remainder siya na 13, no? 13 times 11 modulo 18. Okay. Last step na to. 13 times 11, madali na lang yan. That is 143 modulo 18. So malapit na tayo sa final answer natin. This is 143 divided by 18. Okay, double check natin. So this is 7 ulit. 7 times 8, 56. Carry 5. 7 times 1, 7. Plus 5, that is 12. So, minus natin, 143 minus 126. So, kuha tayo kay 4 ng isa. This is magiging 3 na. And then, ito magiging 13. So, 13 minus 6, that is, ilan to? 7. Then, 3 minus 2, that is 1. So, meaning, 143 mode 18, that is 17 mode 18. Meaning, yung 137 raised to 153 natin is congruent to 17 modulo 18, or ang remainder natin dito ay simply yung si 17. So, yung remainder now is 17. So, ganun po yung ating Euler's theorem and yung ating paggamit ng Euler's totient function. So ayun, sana may naintindihan, and maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. Advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year po sa ating lahat.